Hi everyone, I'm looking forward to our class next week on the 4 essential roles of leadership. To access the materials for the course, you just need to log into your Franklin Covey All Access Pass. Go to the Leadership series of courses and click on 4 essential roles of leadership. For the class, you'll need to complete the orientation to the 4 essential roles of leadership and also the Part 1 introduction. This should take you about 30 minutes. For the 4 essential roles of leadership orientation, the priority is to fill out the worksheet. This will provide the context for the course material over the next few weeks. So download this worksheet, fill it out, and then bring it with you to our class. We're not doing the 360 assessment at this time. We may do that at a later date, but right now we're just focusing on preparing you for the course by completing this worksheet. Also, please complete the Part 1 introduction. This will just give you some of the foundational information about the course. And this includes a welcome video, which you'll watch here. And then also there's another worksheet for you to complete as well. And you can find that here under your responses. So as you're going through the material, you can fill in the worksheet and bring that to the class with you as well. If you have any questions before we meet, don't hesitate to reach out, and I look forward to seeing you guys next week. Thanks.